So, hey guys, so we're on the way to Rexpert's up in West Park. They are going to do some measurements of the trunk, I believe, and we're going to keep working on the air suspension. I'll show you guys that a little later. I've had it for a couple weeks now, but I haven't had the time to install it, and I know they've been busy throwing out some builds, some really good high power builds. So we're gonna head over there now, and we're gonna go ahead and see what we accomplished today. Hey guys, so we went to Rexpert's. I caught them just as they were leaving. That's my fault. I wasn't feeling too well this morning, so we're gonna go ahead and look for next weekend to go ahead and get the bags installed, or not the bags installed, but at least, you know, check to see what we're gonna do in regards to the trunk setup. So I have the actual tank powder coated already. It's sitting in my garage. I'll go through all that later and exactly what suspension company I'm using, you know, the compressor, all of that. So definitely we're gonna go ahead and run through that once I get home. But I am gonna go out and get some ramen, so I'll go ahead and take you guys along for that. But yeah, so far we're gonna shoot for next Saturday in terms of setting up the trunk, doing the measurements, how we're gonna go about and, you know, do the management and the wiring and all of that. Hey guys, so today I'm sorry about not recording last night and showing you guys the bags when I got home. I was really tired. I've been having like massive congestion, so it's like I've been feeling like crap pretty much all day. But we just got done with the gym. We did chest, and I did 30 minutes on the Stairmaster and did some triceps. Right now we're gonna go home. We're gonna get ready to go to Gabe's house, help him install the grill. We're gonna be meeting up there with Bryce, one of my other friends from college, and I believe Mike, another friend of mine. He's got a Miata. We're gonna be meeting him there too. So just go ahead and stay tuned. We're gonna be headed out to Gabe's. He's like 30 minutes down south, so not too far. But yeah, let's start heading over there. All right, guys. So we are coming up on Gabe's house, I think. I think I made the wrong turn. All right, so I've never been here before, so let's see if I can. It should be right there, but let's take a look. Should be right here on the right. Or on the left, maybe? I don't know what I'm looking at. And I passed it. Damn! Okay. Alright. What'd it do? And he's got the M3. What it do, homies?
I saw you, bro. Legit 2 years ago.
Legit, bro.
How are you, bro?
How is it? How is it, brother?
So far, so good. We just took the wheels off.
Yeah? Alright, cool. So we just got to Gabe's house. This is Bryce's older M3. He decided not to bring the M5 today. Next time.
Weak. Today was a manual day only.
Hey man, I much prefer manual.
Okay.
So we're what, replacing the grill today?
Yeah, we're swapping out the grills. The ZL1
Okay.
grill. That's the SS one with the bow tie delete.
Okay.
Giving it a little bit more. I don't know. That one looks a little bit more modern, and it matches. So like, look, this one for some reason, the design is completely different from the bottom grill, but this one matches perfectly. Because you know, this is vertical.
Yeah.
It's like vertical here. This is all horizontal, so that's more horizontal.
Okay,
So
makes sense.
It's like I don't know why they didn't do it from the beginning, but
Well,
okay, so
better late than never. This is what we're talking about. Whose man decides that this is a good idea? Like,
But
I don't
what
know
if it's actually required and then people start roasting you?
Yo, for real. So if anybody can actually tell me what these are for, obviously they're weights, but they should go on the wheels, not the brakes. So
Same size.
if anybody has any insight on that, please let us know. Thank you. So I just learned something about working on American muscle cars that I really don't like. It is much harder to take out the front bumper than it is on a Subaru. Because it's literally a clip on the side for the Subaru.
bro, I love it how you.
And this man has to get like 4 bolts out.
He's a weird.
Plus pop clips.
Do you have to take your wheels out too or no?
No, I can just pop them.
Okay, yo, it reaches.
It reaches?
It reaches. Okay, now, oh, but I have negative space, so I have to like go one.
Oh.
Yep.
Little thrusts.
For putting that shit back.
Una mierda, bro.
I'm sticking with the Subaru.
Oh! Yo, it's coming off, bro. Thank God.
Or maybe we should put like a drape in case the bumper.
No, I was putting it on the grass, bro.
Oh yeah, on the grass.
Dude. Yeah.
So we finally got the bumper off. Watch out. And I stepped on
yeah.
the...
Oh! It's landmine, bro. Landmine.
I stepped on... Bro!
You want to move the bumper
Yeah,
over here?
yeah. Let's move it. Watch out. It doesn't like crack.
Why? Why do you have to have dog poop? So here we have Gabe struggling with a clip.
Bro, it literally does not want to leave.
I mean, you can break them.
No. No. Hello.
Yo, just grow delete, full grow delete.
Yeah.
You don't need a grill. I got you.
How zoomed in is it?
I can
Where's the
see.
GoPro?
There.
Do you want a thumbnail? Is that what you wanted?
Alright guys, so this is the factory grill. Kind of nice. I did the bow tie delete just because it was super cheap to do it, and honestly wanted to try something new. But yeah, we don't need that anymore.
Sorry.
Yeah, throw it, bro. What do you...
I'm gonna sell this.
So,
Alright, so now we're gonna start putting the bumper on. That's gonna be the best part of this all. The most challenging part. Wish us luck.
No, well, you.
bruh.
You good?
Literally. Yeah, dude, that's a lot of weight, bro. We're saving a lot of weight if we don't put those bolts on.
Yo, for real.
Look, top one and bottom one, just to be safe.
That's it. That's all. I mean, that's all you really need to hold it down.
Hey, you want one?
Honestly, I don't even remember which is the ones that we used for the top.
I got.
So, yeah.
You got them already? Cool.
Hey guys, so we're done at Gabe's. We ended up putting up the front grille and everything, and it came out amazing. He did forget to torque his front wheels down, so we went ahead and we did that literally like in the middle of the street. So from there, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole air suspension in a separate video, just so you guys, you know, get a more in-depth look as to what the air suspension looks like, who I got it from, the brand, you know, specifically who's installing it. We're gonna go ahead, I'll introduce you guys to them. They're very good friends of mine. So we're gonna go ahead and visit them on Saturday. So this coming Saturday, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go take measurements for the trunk and start mocking up exactly what we're trying to do with the setup. And you guys are gonna, you know, come along for the ride. You know, we're gonna go ahead and do everything in depth so you guys can see. So if you did like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. It helps the channel a lot. Go ahead and like the video and leave a comment. You know, tell me what you thought about it. Any criticism is welcome, as well as go ahead and hit the notification bell just so you get notified when I go ahead and post another video. Okay guys? Alrighty, have a good night and see you later.